I never pursued Zanda. People are sitting here saying, leave our Ugandan boys alone. You leave our Ugandan men alone.
He was after you for clout. He needed clout. He needed to.
And he knew what he was doing since the very beginning when I was with Bb. Because I even found videos. I even found videos that he made, that he duetted, of me and Bb. This was all planned out from him. I never pursued him. He pursued me. He was never my type. Never my type. And actually, at the airport, I was hella embarrassed. And he kept on saying, oh, I'm worried I'm not your type. Oh, I don't know, do you like me? Am I everything that am I what you expected? You know, and you were never my type. I was sparing your feelings. I was trying to be nice.
I mean, he's not cute at all, but okay.
And even my daughter last night, after she blocked him, which you should, after she blocked him, why did you accept him? Because I felt sorry. I felt sorry for him. A pity game. You can call it what you want. No, and that's another thing. I never slept with him. All of this shit talking and all of this yapping comes from the fact that you didn't get what you wanted. Your plan didn't work.
You never slept with him?
Never slept with him.
Even after you married him?
These people got me confused with other bitches. Don't get me confused with what you're used to. I never slept with him at all. Never. Ever. And that's why the fuck he's mad. That's why he's talking shit, because he never got what he wanted. And you know what we call that here in the States? You lying on your dick. Stop lying on your dick. Stop going around telling people that I'm pregnant by you or that I was pregnant. How did I get pregnant? Magically? How did I get pregnant when I never slept with you?
No, she's talking about the second one she's married, guys, not the first one. Her and the first one.
I wasn't, like I said, I was never married to him. Let's go back to that too.
So, yeah, what's up with that?
He was telling me, we did an interview with my friend, because I know how this shit is gonna work. They're gonna be like, well, you were calling him your husband, and you know what? And I take the responsibility for that. You know, I was, but nobody knows what happened that led up to that, why I did that. Nobody. That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm here, to clear everything up. You're lying. I don't give a fuck if you think I'm lying.
Keep going. Don't even listen to the comments.
I don't give a fuck if you think I'm lying. So, like I was saying, that's the whole reason why he's been talking shit. He's been constant. Every single post that he put is about me. Every single live he does is about me. This last song that he did called Samantha.
She only dealt with two men. She was single for years before she dealt with these two men. You guys don't know the backstory on this.
A single mother for years. Something that some of y'all bitches can't even do. Some of y'all can't even be without a man for 2 days. Let's not go there. So, like I was saying, I never pursued him. He never was my type. I was embarrassed when I saw him. And now he's sitting here talking shit. Been talking shit since I left. Been talking shit because he didn't get what he wanted. I was never pregnant by him. I never fucked him. I never did anything else with him. And on top of that, the interview that we did with my friend, one of the very first interviews that we did, he begged me, oh, can you just make sure we say this, and let's try to, just make them believe that, this is how you met me, and I'm an international artist, and, your friend likes my music, and yeah, I went along with it because I felt sorry for him. I felt sorry for him. I ain't gonna lie. I was wrong for going along with it, but I went along with it because I felt sorry for him. He begged to tell this story so that he can look good. We're talking about Zanda. Now he came out with a song, of course, because the only way, like I said, that he can stay relevant is by talking about me. If somebody was never interested in you in the first place, but then, then they're telling you, look, it's not going to work. I don't want to be with you. Why not move on with your life? You claim to be a celebrity. You claim to have all these girls. You claim this and you claim that. Why are you still stuck on me? Because you're irrelevant.
Can you tell us, I want to ask you a question, but let me use the bathroom. I'll be quick. Just continue.
I didn't accept his engagement ring. Because after that fake-ass proposal, I didn't bring back. Uganda is tired of you, and I'm tired of you guys too. Hating on me for no reason and victimizing him when y'all don't really know him. Zanda, that's who we're talking about. Zanda, clearly. I can directly say it, Zanda. He gotta send subliminal messages talking about Samantha. No, address me directly. That's what a coward does. Subliminal messages.
Olutalo kyagenera ddala maaso naye kati tumale okuziika maama Senga Kulanama kitalo nnyo, kitalo ddala. Maama Senga Kulanama yafudde ng'ennaku z'omwezi 11 omwezi ogwokusatu omwaka 2023 ku lunaku olwokubiri. Kitalo nnyo, kitalo ddala, era ng'enteekateeka z'okuziika ngenda kuba mbikulaga mu maaso awo byonna. Kyannaku nnyo, kyannaku ddala, tusaba Katonda amugumye. Naye nga wasize otya wetegule n'omulungi ampuliriza Channel Media Call, subscribe for more updates, like, share and comment. Tuwerabira okunyiga notification bell obenga notified bwe nteekawo video empya. Gina airport pickup mbajjukiza mujje mu booking. Tina Ramadan discount mujje mu booking obudde bukyali nga Ramadan discount enaba kuggwako. Ne woba tonafuna tiketi jangu booking ebaddiya mujje mu booking. Ne woba tonnaba kufuna tiketi tujja kugirinda naye yo booking nga Ramadan discount enaggwako ng'emiwendo gikyali wansi ddala. Oleme kujja kusaawa ensembayo ng'ate munnange discount eweddeko ng'ogamba bulijjo ninda tiketi ate nga wano bulijjo mbagamba bulijjo mbabuulira buli wamu tutuukawo. Ojja nkwatisa tutegerezeganye va mu comment section mukwano. Namba yaffe yo ku screen 0704 44 40 58. Muneesige mbatamuze, muneesige ne family zammwe balamuze airport babalabe ng'olandinga ate nga tukyusa ne ssente tudde ne walalikeko mawo ne ssente z'omunengoloza ku airport banakutema. Tukyusa ne ssente, tuyina free wifi, tugaba n'ebyokulya ba clients baffe. Katugende mu maaso ku nfa ya maama wa Senga Kulanama. Kitalo nnyo, kitalo ddala. Ngenda kubeera nga nkulaga Senga Kulanama ng'ayogera ekyabadde ku maama w'okufa, buzibu ki, okuziika n'ebirala bingi nnyo.
Ebyo abangamba bye tulabye bituufu. Maama yafudde. Mukwano gwaffe waka KFC. Banaye mukwano gwa muwaka KFC teyalwadde. Yasesemye busesemi. Ne bamuddusa ku doctors esseguku ne bamukolako bulungi nnyo mu nkolako ey'ekikungu eya VIP. Maama wange n'atalama. Okussa obubi kwe kwamututte. Kuba bwe yasesemye n'asesemye emirundi 3 n'atandika okubaka omukka. Tabadde mulwadde. Bamukyekize nga talina kasujja nga talina kaki. Jukira kapresa kamuyitamu ku myaka nga 7 ne kagenda, kamuyitamu buyisi ne kagenda. Maama wange tabadde mulwadde. Maama wange yazaalibwa mu 1940 Meerere. Yafudde Cecilia Nantume. Tugenda kumuziika e Busunju Essebobbo ng'ennaku z'omwezi oba zigenda kubeera mmeka leero 12 13 tugenda muzika kale ku Friday. Maama wange ngenda muzika ku Friday omulungi. Maama wange omugezi bulijjo anduulira ti mwana wange singa watwala amagezi gange gonna naye nakutoolerako butoolezi katono bwe kati naye singa nagakuwa gonna ate singa oli bulala. Ekituufu maama wange abadde mukyala mugezi nnyo. Olaba ku myaka egyo abadde akyalina akawunti mu Equity era ng'aterekamu ssente era aleseeyo ssente bamulekwa tugenda kuzino nayo. Basebo ne bannyabo tufiiriddwa omukazi omukadde omugezi abuulirira ateekateeka n'akugamba munnange kino bwe kiba bwe kiti gumira wano bwoti ono baakugambye bwati gwe kakkana olina kuba mukazi wa mpisa mu nsi. Fiiriddwa maama wange nze Senga Kulanama. Tuziika lunaku lwa Kutaano. Julius funeral service ekyamuyina emutuwa leero ssaawa 6 olunaku lwaleero lwa kusatu. Basebo ne bannyabo enkya lwe tusimbula okumutwala egenda okubeera amaka ge ag'olubeerera. Tuli mu kuzimba kizimbe kye tukitereeza ne tugenda okumutereka.
Kitalo nnyo omukulu Jumba bba wa Senga Kulanama naye avuddeyo n'aweereza obubaka obusaasira ate nga kw'otadde n'okubikira eggwanga eddamba wamu n'enteekateeka z'okuziika n'ebisingako awo. Byonna ngenda kubeera ng'obiraba mu vidiyo wakati ate tulyoke tweyongereyo.
Banaye kitalo nnyo, kitalo ddala. Njagala okutegeeza bannayuganda mwenna okubabikira maama wange anzaalira omukyala Senga Kulanama. Maama wa Senga Kulanama yagenze yafudde yafuuliddwa mu bulamu bw'ensi eno n'adda mu bw'embuyaga. Yafiiridde ku doctors, omubiri gwe gutuuka ekigo. Olwaleero asule ekigo ate tugende tumutereke tumuziike ebusunju ku kyalo kye bayita Ssebobbo. Ekyalo Ssebobbo okuva ebusunju mu town, okuva mu tawuni y'ebusunju okwata ku kikubo ekidde Ssekanyonyi awo mu Kasenyi n'oweta ku kapande akaliko Ssebobbo ewa Senga Kulanama ku kiggwa kyabwe. Abasabo ne bannyabo mbabikira abasawo b'ekinnansi mwenna mu ggwanga. Abantu ba Senga Kulanama mikwano gye mwenna ab'omu nsi yonna ab'oku mitimbagano mwenna mbabikira takyalina nagoogera mu mbeera mukimanyi okuviibwako maama. Mbikira ab'enzikiriza y'obuwangwa n'ennono mwenna bannabuwangwa na nnono mukimanyi maama wakuterekebwa mu buwangwa n'ennono. Mbikira amasinzizo gonna mu ggwanga abatabiriza bannabbona bakabona mwenna mbabikira olukiiko olukulu olwa High Council mwenna abakulembeze ab'enzikiriza y'obuwangwa n'ennono. Mbikira President General Naalongo Nansamba ne ekitongole kyonna kyakulembera eky'abasawo b'ekinnansi bonna abeegattira mu bukulembeze bw'obusawo bw'ekinnansi. Mbikira gavumenti ya wakati, gavumenti mbabikira bassebo ne bannyabo mwenna. Njagala okubategeeza nti Senga Kulanama yaviiriddwako maama. Bassebo ne bannyabo kibi nnyo, tuli mu nneeteekateeka. Mbasaba mwenna mujje tumuwerekere ku lunaku olwokutaano essaawa 10, ku lunaku olwokutaano essaawa 10 ku kyalo Ssebobbo ebusunju.
Nga tweyongerayo ensonga za Daily Uganda, ndibalwanya Queen Leilah ne Bb Zanda zikutte wansi ne waggulu. Batandise okuweereza ebisongovu, batandise okuggyayo ebyama. Kino nno kyaddiridde oluvannyuma lwa Bb Zanda okukwata omwana wa Leilah n'amupositinga ku peegi ye. Nga bw'omanyi buli muzadde afiirawo nnyo ku mwana we. Leilah yanyiiza bubi nnyo n'akola videos n'alaba nga tekimumalidde n'akola live n'atandika okwokya n'atandika okuggyayo ebyama n'agamba n'omwana wange eri teyakusiima, omwana wange yakuwamunyiiza, omwana wange yakublockinga, biki n'ebigambo bingi nnyo. Bw'atyo Bb Zanda avuddeyo n'akiliyaringa eya jjukira nti Queen Leila Ndibaranya yavuddeyo n'agamba mbu ye tayagala nko Bb Zanda yakikolanga kulumya bbaawe daily ku bye yamukola n'akikola amwesasuze amulumye teyeebakangako naye tebeegattanko bonna yalinga amufera mukwano alumye daily Uganda. Oluvannyuma Bb Zanda avuddeyo n'ayogera ebituufu n'ayogera ebikakafu n'ayogera ye nga bw'amanyi era nga bw'asuubira nti baali beegasseeko baali mukwano lwaki yakkiriza proposal n'ebirala binnyo nga bw'ogenda okubiraba mu maaso awo. Channel Media ko kyali subscribe for more ate n'ekirala watch to the end. Muyambira nnyo mu comment section nga temulaba video kuzimalayo. Ekirala tulina Ramadan discount mwenna abaana bakomo after Ramadan mujje mu booking ng'emiwendo gikyali wansi ddala.
He's not a kid. He's a grown-ass man. People need to stop calling him a kid. He's not a kid. He's not a boy. He's a grown-ass man. He knows exactly what he's doing. He has a 6-year-old son. So he's not a kid.
A 6-year-old son?
Yeah. He's not a kid at all.
Oh, honey.
People just don't like the fact. But the thing is he tried to come out and try to bash me by saying, oh, you want to know her age? You want to know her real name? You want to know this? You want to know that? You knew everything when you were trying to pursue me, when you were trying to talk to me. So if it was such a problem, if these things that you're talking about, that you're trying to expose, were such a fucking problem, then why did you talk to me then? Why did you try to pursue me? Because your intentions were not pure.
She didn't marry the Zanda guys. She married.
No, I did not marry Zanda. I would never marry.
She was still married to Daily. She never married Zanda. He was just a rebound. Bad. She never never succeeded or even started like that.
Pretty much.
And that wedding stuff was just for the video shoots.
Yeah. And I mean, I didn't even know, to be honest with you, I didn't even know that this keeps on coming on. I didn't even know that that's what we were doing that day for the video. You know what I'm saying? And then he claimed that the proposal was real. No, it wasn't.
So who came
It was all
up
for
with the
clout because
idea?
you were trying to make a video to trend.
Who came up with the idea of him wanting to be Muslim?
Not me.
Yeah, he was a catfish, lovely. Yeah, Zanda was a catfish. I guess
But people have to understand, and you know, this is one thing that I don't get, right? In Uganda, I've learned to know Uganda very well. Maybe at first I was a little naive, but I've learned a lot about Uganda and how things work there. What really gets me is that people know that in Uganda, 99% you fake it till you make it. How do you not know your own people? And you're believing all these lies, knowing how your own people, how they do. Everything about Zanda is fake. He will do anything that he can to trend. He even went on, like, people send me messages every day. People send me videos every day. People send me proof of things every single day. He even went on live and was asking the chat, was asking people what's trending. Because that's the only thing that he can do. He goes online and tries to find what's trending next, and that's what he does to stay relevant. And obviously, me and my husband were trending, so he's trying to get fucking clout off of that. He'll do anything. He'll throw anybody under the bus. Another thing too, him and his dirty ass little friend Ronnie. You want to go around talk about I have AIDS and I tried to murder you and I tried to poison you. All that is bullshit. Bullshit. And you know what's really sad is that not only do you have a son, but your dirty ass friend has 5 kids too. And you're talking like this about me. I'm also someone's child. Be careful what you say about someone, because it might happen to you and it might happen to your children. I'm a murderer and I tried to poison you, yet
F1 in the chat.
I left your home way before you were in the hospital. I even left back to come back to the States before he made that video. So after I left, you were so heartbroken, right? You were so heartbroken. You were sad. You were crying. You were this, you were that. But yet, you was out at the bars drinking. You was out at, what was his name? I think it was Tom D's concert. You were out having fun. You were out chilling and kicking it. What are you talking about? Then as soon as you heard that I went back to the States, now all of a sudden you were in the hospital and I tried to poison you.
Oh, I didn't know going to the hospital was a music video.
I told you he'll do anything to trend. How did I poison you? I don't give a shit about you. I don't give a shit about you.
That video was him saying you poisoned him.
That I poisoned him. You want to go to his little friend, make up a little story. This is what he does. He has Ronnie and his little other friends do his dirty work for him. Do his dirty work for him. So he goes to the hospital on purpose, to say that I poisoned him. I wasn't even around you. What are you talking about? And days before that, you were out kicking it. You were out chilling, you were out drinking, you were out doing whatever you wanted to do. I wasn't around you.
There's no way somebody that's truly poisoned is sitting here doing a music video and singing in the hospital bed. And you went to the hospital. How did you trick the nurses to leave there and the doctor to leave to shoot a music video? Oh, you a slick one.
Get that shit out of here, man.
That is crazy.
Get that shit out of here. Want to call me a murderer? Want to say that I have AIDS? Huh. Okay, so what does that make you? What does that make you if you wanted to be with me so bad? Fuck out of here. Now he got this new song out. Calling me Samantha because his bitch ass can't address me directly like I was saying in my video.
He's just mad because she's not the type of person to put up with shit for that long. If you know her, you know that if something is not healthy for her, she will leave.
That's it. I bounce. I'm done.
Quick and fast.
If it's not good for me, I'm done. At that point, it's I don't care about your feelings anymore. Because the only thing you tried to do was use me. At that point, your feelings don't matter.
It was really obvious.
And then people want to get mad at me. Oh, you left Zanda? Oh, what did you leave Zanda for? Oh, you left our boy. He's heartbroken. He's crying. And all along, he's just faking it and tricking you guys. And you guys are falling for it. You guys are falling for it. That's all he did. All he did was trick you guys. making you guys feel sorry for him. And the majority of these people that are talking shit are all women. You can have him. I don't want him. Why are you on me for? Why are you hating on me for? Have him.
When the money came up missing, where was it at? And like, what was the money for? Like, who was there? Like, when did it come missing? Like, who was there?
With the money situation, I already cleared that up too. Because I already said that I didn't know when and where the money got lost.
Did you have it in your purse?
Yeah. And the thing about the money situation is me and him even had an argument over it because he got the audacity, he got the nerve to be like, why didn't you tell me about the money? Why didn't you tell me you had money? I don't gotta tell you shit about my money. You are not my husband. You are no one to me. What right do you have to know what's in my purse and what's in my pockets? What are you talking about? Why I didn't tell
you about the money?
And if you want to know about something Islamically, since he had became Muslim at that time and whatever else, you will know that a woman's money is her money. I don't gotta share nothing with you.
Well, he wouldn't know any better because he wasn't Muslim. He just
we've had no. That's the thing. We've had many Islamic discussions. Many.
Bambi.
Daily.
Bambi. I'm sorry to interrupt you. Someone have just called me. Leilah.
Yes, babe.
I know you heard, but that's enough. Okay? For a good, I'm just begging you to get off the live, okay?
Okay, good.
With the respect, Bambi, I'm sorry, but that's enough.
It's okay. Yeah, this is daily.
You're gonna end up making. Yeah, you're gonna end up making mistake. Okay.
Okay, good.
Assalamu alaikum.
Right. Bambi.
Leilah.
I'm gonna call you if you are free after this, or you let me know when you're free.
She's always calm. She's calmer than me. Y'all know I'm the biggest crash out on the internet.
So I will go now and listen to my husband.
Ooh.
So you said, ooh. Girl, don't make me laugh.
Why am I so messy? You can't take it. Don't bring no therapist. I'm not no therapist. I am messy as hell. Don't tell me nothing.
Oh, girl.
That is still her husband, guys. They never got a divorce.
Girl, you just make, I can't stop. You something else.
I mean, I think that, yeah. Who the hell called him? You snitches? Who was trying to get the tea? And y'all then called and woke him up out of his bed. He was sleeping. It's 8 in the morning. The sun was barely coming out. You freaking snitch.
Who snitched? Who snitched?
I don't know. That's a good question. Who called him
He said, baby,
and snitched on us?
don't get your wife because she checking everybody.
They didn't snitch on us. Like, be for real. Like, y'all, like, he was sleeping. We could have got all the tea.
He was like, Assalamualaikum. Babe, get off.
We could have got all, yeah. He didn't just open his eyes because the phone rang. Damn, who gonna put him back to sleep now? We can't even get all the tea because of you guys. Yeah, well, I didn't woke him up out of bed. We was getting all the tea.
All right, let me go though. Let me go ahead and get offline. They said, ha ha ha, a lot of snitches. But sis, my therapist, my sister,
I got you. So if you guys want to bring your couples and you guys need therapy, I'm here. Yeah, I got you guys. Oh yeah, by the way, this is what we were doing today. We were doing the not gonna lie, like it's like anonymous messages. The link is in my bio. So if you guys want to send me anonymous confessions or messages, we read them up on the live. So if you guys want to send me any, let me know. We get them here. The link is in my bio. We don't know who sends them. Okay, just click on the link, say what you gotta say, and we read it on live, okay?
I'm gonna join your next session too. I'm gonna start joining you.
Yeah, bring Daily and you if you guys need my therapy sessions. I'm a little messy sometimes, but I like to bring the relationship close together. Very close. I'm just a little bit messy. Not that much. It's just to bring you guys a little bit together.
Well, I appreciate it, sis. Like I said, and whenever you're free, let me know, and we're gonna talk one-on-one. So
Sound good. I got you. Sound good.
all right, okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, you guys. The link is in my bio. If you guys want to send me your confessions.
Go follow Bambi. Everybody go follow Bambi. She's wonderful. She's such a good friend. She's such a wonderful person. Everyone that's joined me today, I appreciate it. But I'm gonna go now and listen to my husband and get off this live. So I love you all, and I'll see you guys next time, inshallah.
Jana airport pickup tulina Ramadan discount mu booking ng'obudde tebunnaba kugenga discount tennaba kuggwako mwe n'abaana bakoma after Ramadan. Team after Ramadan tulina Ramadan discount mu booking ng'emiwendo gikyali wansi ddala. Tolinda kumala funa ticket soko gyo booking ticket tujja kugirinda. Ojja kulinda omala funa ticket ojje nga discount eweddeko ate ogambe nalaba discount ate biki nga nte tewajjira mu budde mikwano. Mujje tutambule ffenna ku miwendo egyansi tulina free wifi ate nga tulina n'ebyokulya tukyusa ne ssente eri mwenna abakomawo ne ssente zammwe temweraliikira nti ate bagenda restaurant ku airport ate biki tambula njia na airport pickup osirike ssente tuzikyusiza ddala. Nyongera kubaza mu nabala video yange to the end ne mulabula nga temubuskipinze emikono ndi musimu seba Katonda bo byomusinga okwagala. Channel media ko chali subscribe for more updates, like, share and comment. Tuwelabira okunyiga notification bell obenga notified when take our video empya. Balinze ku airport hajati wa mom bwati gwemge no sanku airport nga abachimye. Teri mulala.